In this video, we are going to see about sets data type. First of all, we are going to see about characteristics of sets. Sets are unindexed and unordered. There is no indexing technique in sets. No duplicate values are allowed. Partially mutable. Heterogeneous data type. That is, a set can contain more than one data type. Now, first we are going to see about set assignment. See here, my set 1 is equal to a open curly bracket, close curly bracket. My set 2 is equal to set of function. So when we are printing the type of my set 1 and my set 2, my set 1 is termed as a dictionary data type, but my set 2 is termed as a set data type. So if we give a value like this, it will says that it is a dictionary. If we give a set of function, then only it will say that it is a set data type. How to initialize a set? See here, my set 1 is equal to open curly bracket 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6, and my set 2 is equal to set of 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6. Now see here, both of these are of set data type. This is the method to declare a value to the set. Now see here, set are unindexed and unordered. I have given the set in a form of 2, 0, Manoj, 4, 8, Pirai, Python. But what is my output? 0, 2, 4, Manoj, 3, 8, Python. Now we can understand that a set is an unordered and unindexed data type. Okay. Now see here, no duplicates are allowed. Okay, no duplicates are allowed. See here, 1, 3, 6, 2, 2. So 2 is duplicate. Okay, then 4, 6, 6 is duplicate. 3 is duplicate. All 3, 6, 2 are repeated twice. But when we are printing the set, it gives us input only one times of the each element. Okay, no duplications are allowed. Now let me see about the inbuilt functions in set. First, the len of function. Len of function is used to find the length of the set. Okay, length of the set. See here, my tuple is equal to, I have given a set in it 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6, and I have printed the length of my tuple. See here, it prints the length, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6, that are of 5 length. If I give comma 6 again, now also the length will be of 5. Why the length will be of 5? Because set won't allow the duplication. Okay, set don't allow the duplication. Hence, the length of the set is 5. And what are the elements in the set? They are 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6. Wait, I will also print the set. Now the set is also printed. See here, the set is also printed. Now add of method. Add of method is used to add a value to a set. See here, I have added 5 to set. So 5 is included in the set. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now remove of function. Remove of function is used to remove a value. We give a value to be removed inside the function so that the value is removed from the function. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I have given 4 in between the parentheses. So 4 is removed from the set. Okay. So what is the set value? 1, 2, 3, 6. Now discard. Discard is used to remove a value from the set as similar to the remove. But there is a one difference between remove and discard. What is the difference between the remove and discard? When we are removing an element which is not found in a set, then it arises an error. But in discard, it won't arises the error. It just leaves. Okay. For example, if I try to remove 10, is 10 is present in this? No. So it arises an error. See here, key error. Now, see here in discard, whether 0 is present here? No. But it don't arise error. If I give 3, then what will be the output? 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now, pop off method. Pop off method will remove uh, any element, like it removes a random element. Okay, it removes a random element because it is unordered and unindexed. So in list, the pop off method will remove the last element, that is last index. Okay, but in pop off method in set, it removes a random element.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.